Remote AI data jobs. Why people are earning $100,000 tagging data. What if I told you that the future of AI depends on regular people like you tagging data online, and some are making over $100,000 a year doing it remotely? No tech degree, no Silicon Valley job, just a laptop and sharp attention. Here's the catch. AI can't learn on its own. Before ChatGPT writes, or self-driving cars move, someone needs to feed them tagged data images, texts, sounds with, meaning that's where AI data annotation comes in. You're labeling content, marking a face in a photo, highlighting emotions in audio, or classifying text. You're literally teaching machines how to think. And the demand exploding. AI development is growing 27% plus yearly, and every tool needs clean, labeled data. That's millions of tasks done remotely by annotators around the world. Remote work, flexible hours, projects from top companies. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or side hustler, this fits your lifestyle. And the more specialized your work, like medical or language, tagging the more you earn. Basic tasks may pay hourly, but with skill and niche expertise. Top annotators report $100,000 a year, especially in video, LiDAR, or NLP data. So if you're looking to enter tech without coding, AI data annotation might just be your smartest remote move. Ready to teach the machines?